So you may be wondering why Galesburg-Augusta Community Schools has put this proposal back on the ballot in November 2nd. Shortly after the bond proposal did not go through in May, many community members encouraged our Board of Education to try again. Why? Because the needs have not gone away.
Our oldest bus that we run is a 2000, so it's 21 years old for a school bus. The average life of a school bus is 10 to 12 years.
Our bond money can replace these buses. If we take that out of our general budget year after year, it takes money away from education.
By having 3 new buses, it would help us out immensely.
The bond project has gone up in price due to inflation. However, the mills that we must levy have gone down from 1.5 to 1.2. As a result, the average amount that a taxpayer will now pay is only $5 a month or $60 a year. It would be a huge advantage if the district acted on the low interest rates, allowing us to pay off this proposal in 19 years. Construction would be able to begin in 2022 and would be completed in 2023. We want to bring opportunities to every child in Galesburg-Augusta Community Schools. It's really important that our students see how much we value them, that they can take pride, that they know that their community is behind them. Please remember to vote on November 2nd.
Go Rams!
Go Rams!
Go Rams!
Go Rams!